Today, our guest is Olivia Faire. Olivia is in Kent, which is the southeast part of England. She is a marquetrist, and she is also a graduate from Central St. Martin.
And I was a bit disillusioned by the pace and the waste of fashion, and I wanted to really make something that would last longer than a few months. And I felt a huge draw to finding a craft that you would pick up in 300 years time and it would still have a beauty, and it would stand up in its own right and still have a magic to it. And I think marquetry has that. I really love challenging myself. I love origami, and I think actually that's where it started. I really wanted to make something that you could take with you, that you could move with move the marquetry. The marquetry just comes alive when you move it through the light. So there are some very heartbreaking, many heartbreaking moments working with wood in this way that I've decided to do. But ultimately, it's so exciting when it works. I really feel like now the wood and I are friends, and we can make beautiful things. I think it's been working with something that responds so drastically and dramatically to moisture, to temperature. It's got a mind of its own, and you've really got to tame it and know it, and it will fight you all the way. Yeah, I start by hand drawing all of my designs to keep some element of fluidity, and then I take them through digitization so that I can then cut them with a laser and then hand assemble every single piece, hand dye them, hand shade them. I'm working on a little piece at the moment, so it's incredibly thin. You know, like card, you can cut it with scissors, you can cut it with a knife. And then you just start like a jigsaw puzzle, working it together. You can see. Mother of pearl a lot and garlic skins, which was really wonderful. I really enjoyed using those. Yeah, it's a really brutal process actually. Garlic's incredibly potent when you're peeling so many of them. Every single garlic has to be peeled to reveal the two flat sides. And then from each garlic you get a mirror for the butterfly wings. With the screen, I've always been fascinated by the structures of crystals and how they grow, and also this particular one was mainly from Cornwall, and the sheer drama of the harsh rocks and the light that pierces through the sun. It just has that dark and light. So this was definitely a Cornish inspiration.
Thank you so much, Olivia. It was wonderful. I'm sure that you're going to get some emails and some calls here. I sense some fashionistas in need of a beautiful bag around here.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. But just gorgeous. Thank you.